Welcome, intrepid adventurers, to the brand new Lego store at Disneyland Paris in Disney Village. And we start our look at this shop with a look at this massive mural made completely from Lego. So, welcome to the brand new Lego store. We'll take a look at some of the items, some of the themes that we've got going on in here, and some of the models. As you can see at the time of filming this, we have the Beauty and the Beast castle, which we built live on stream. Of course, we've got more Disney products and figures. But before we take a look at the actual products, let's just take a look at the store itself and look how beautiful and sleek it is in here. Just a bunch of brick pits for the kids to play in, and the big kids as well, if you are a big kid. No, I am your father. Let's take a look at some of the items they've got and what they're costing in here. We'll start at, quite frankly, the biggest theme, Star Wars. They've got a massive amount of Star Wars over here. Takes up half of this wall. You've got the UCS Razor Crest down there, the Venator class Star Destroyer I see at the bottom there. 650 euros if you'd like to get yourself a Star Destroyer. How much is the Avengers Tower in the Marvel now? Avengers Tower is 500 euros. Got large Mario in his cart. That is 170 euros. The superheroes, not just Marvel, but DC as well. Yes. Of course, we have Fortnite, Minecraft, they're quirky, aren't they? This is the Van Gogh, which is pretty quirky, but is it 170 euros? You tell me. The Twilight Cullen House. Isn't it a bit late for that, guys? Dungeons and Dragons. Hocus Pocus. These are all the ideas. Of course, Disney Castle, 400 euros. Barad-dûr, 459. The Titanic, 679. And the Eiffel Tower, 10,000 pieces, 629. Natural History Museum here and the Tudor House together on a modular street. And then we have sets like the Shire. There's the Tudor House. There's the Jaws set and the steamboat, the river steamboat. We've got the Pick-a-Brick Wall, the Mosaic Maker, and the minifigure personalisation. This Diagon Alley here is 450 euros. But we are very much in the Harry Potter section. There's Gringotts 429, the Burrow. And then we go down through the Friends and to the Disney at the end. And thank you for joining us for this brief look at the Lego store at Disney Village at Disneyland Paris. See you again soon.